Most lawn care business owners get this wrong. They think the best CRM is the one with the most features. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM is the one that helps you book more jobs, stay organized, and keep customers coming back without creating more work for you. In 2026, there are dozens of CRM options available for lawn care companies. Some focus on scheduling. Some focus on operations. Others focus on customer retention and growth. So which one is actually the best? In this video, you'll learn what features matter most, which types of CRMs fit different lawn care businesses, and how to choose the right platform for your specific goals. Let's get straight into it. The first thing every lawn care business needs is scheduling and job management. Think about it. If you can't efficiently schedule recurring services, route crews, and track completed work, growth becomes difficult. For example, imagine Alex owns a lawn care company with 3 crew members. He services 100 properties every month. Without a proper CRM, scheduling changes, customer requests, and recurring visits quickly become overwhelming. A good CRM solves that problem by centralizing customer information, schedules, and service history. That's your first major benefit. But here's the problem. Many lawn care businesses stop there. They focus entirely on operations while ignoring customer retention. Now here's where it gets interesting. The easiest customer to sell to is often someone who has already hired you. Imagine Jake completed lawn maintenance for a homeowner last season. If that customer needs aeration, fertilization, cleanup services, or recurring maintenance this year, a CRM can help keep that relationship active. Automated follow-ups, reminders, and customer communication tools can create additional revenue opportunities without constantly spending money on advertising. That's a small change with a potentially huge payoff. In a minute, I'll show you how to choose the right CRM based on your business stage. But first, let's discuss what separates good CRMs from great ones. The best platforms typically combine 4 core areas: customer management, scheduling and job tracking, invoicing and payments, customer communication. If a CRM handles these areas efficiently, it can eliminate a significant amount of manual work. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on feature lists instead of business needs. A solo operator may need simplicity and ease of use. A growing company may need advanced scheduling and crew management. A mature business may prioritize customer retention and repeat revenue. The right choice depends entirely on your biggest bottleneck. If organization is your challenge, focus on operational tools. If growth is your challenge, prioritize customer communication and retention capabilities. The best CRM for lawn care businesses in 2026 isn't necessarily the most expensive platform or the most popular one. It's the platform that solves your most important problem today while supporting where your business is headed tomorrow. That's how smart business owners evaluate software. Now you know exactly what to look for before choosing a CRM for your lawn care company. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more lawn care business growth tips, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're currently using and what you like or dislike about it.